What if I told you that you could make any photo talk for as long as you want, and it would look absolutely mind-blowing? I'm about to show you Infinite Talk, the AI breakthrough that's making creators go absolutely crazy. This isn't just another lip-sync tool, guys. We're talking about unlimited length videos.
关键在于商汤的战略判断，他们认为通往 AGI 的必经之路是多模态。
那么，为什么说多模态是通向 AGI 的必经之路
Where your entire body moves naturally, your expressions are on point, and the results are so realistic, people won't believe it's AI.
Though we gotta say goodbye for the summer.
Built on Alibaba's Wan 2.1 model, this open-source powerhouse can transform a single selfie into a full talking avatar that could literally talk forever. Hey guys, so I'm here in Shibuya right now with this amazing matcha latte. Seriously, Tokyo's coffee game is unreal, and the best part, it's completely free and works locally. In the next minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to install and use Infinite Talk, show you some examples, and give you all the pro tips to create content that'll blow up your feed. But before we dive in, if you want more comfy UI tutorials like this, smash that like button right now, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Now, let's get started.
Before we dive into our comfy UI workflow, there's one essential step we need to complete first. You'll need to install the latest Wan Video Wrapper custom node created by the amazing Kijai. I want to give a huge shout out to him for his incredible contributions to the AI open source community. Now, if you already have this custom node installed, make sure to update it to the latest version. Also, don't forget to update Comfy UI itself to the most recent release, and then restart the application completely. Once you have everything updated, head over to the custom node's GitHub repository. Inside this repository, you'll find all the Wan 2.1 and 2.2 workflows conveniently located in a dedicated folder. Look for the Infinite Talk example workflow JSON file and click to download it. Alternatively, if you prefer to skip the search, you can always download my pre-configured workflows from the Ko-fi link in the description below. You'll also find all the necessary model download links there, completely free of charge. Now that we've covered the initial setup, let's move into the actual workflow configuration. When you open Kijai's example workflow in Comfy UI, you'll notice there's a models group where you'll place all the necessary models to run Infinite Talk successfully. First, you'll need the Lightning LoRa for image-to-video generation. Download this file and save it directly in your LoRa's folder. Next, we have the Infinite Talk model itself, which works similarly to the previous multi-talk model. Here's where GPU capacity becomes important. You'll need to download a quantized version that matches your system's capabilities. For those of you with 24 GB of VRAM, I recommend using either the Q6 or Q8 quantized models. If you're working with 12 to 16 GB of VRAM, the Q4 model will work perfectly well for your needs. Remember to place the Infinite Talk models in the UNet folder within your models directory. The remaining models are essential for running Wan 2.1 properly. These include the VAE and the Clip Vision H model, which we need because we're using an image-to-video process. You'll also need the Clip Text encoder, though it's not shown in this particular group. Make sure to use a GGUF version that suits your GPU's capacity. Let me share my specific setup with you. For the Wan 2.1 model, I'm using Q8 since I have more than 24 GB of VRAM available. Now here's an important note for those using older GPUs. If FP16 Fast isn't supported on your system, simply change it to BF16 instead. For users with lower-tier GPUs, I strongly recommend aiming for the Q4 model to avoid those frustrating insufficient VRAM messages when running the workflow. If you're unsure about which models to choose for your specific setup, don't worry. You'll find the right models for your GPU configuration and all the download links in the description below. However, if you're completely new to Comfy UI, I highly recommend watching my previous tutorials on YouTube first. You can also visit pixelailabs.com where we offer a comprehensive beginner's course covering all the basics. We also have an updated and more advanced course that focuses specifically on creating your first AI digital influencer using Flux and WAN video models. Plus, you'll get access to our private Discord community filled with amazing members who actively help each other solve problems. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get all my exclusive content. Now, let's get back to our workflow. Moving below the models group, you'll find the section where you place your input image. This is the image that you want to animate, and the system will automatically resize and crop it for optimal processing. You can see exactly where to adjust the width and height of your image, as well as the maximum frame setting that I'll explain in detail in just a moment. Here's a crucial tip for beginners. If you have a square image and you're working with a low VRAM GPU, you may need to lower the resolution to 640 pixels or even lower, especially when testing the workflow for the first time. This prevents those long waiting periods for output results. In my case, with 32 gigabytes of VRAM, a resolution of 1280 by 720 works beautifully and produces high-quality results. Now, notice the maximum frames setting. You can see that I'm using 1,325 frames, which might seem incredibly high. Well, that's the infinite talk magic in action. You can generate very long videos without running into VRAM issues, and the maximum frames are calculated based on your input audio length. Let me walk you through the calculation process. In my example, I have a text-to-speech audio file from 11 Labs that I used for this video's intro. The audio length is 52 seconds. Since this model supports 25 frames per second, we multiply 52 seconds by 25 frames to get the total frames needed to generate exactly a 52-second video that perfectly matches our input audio. However, I chose to add one additional second to the video to get a few extra frames at the end, which I can trim later during editing. Now that we've covered the technical setup, let's move to the creative side with the positive prompt. Nothing too complex here, simply describe what's happening, such as a woman is talking or a man is talking. Sometimes you might encounter small inconsistencies in the generated video. For example, when I was generating my video, I noticed that the character's nail colors were changing whenever her hands appeared in the frame. After adding "her hands have white manicured nails" to the prompt, this issue completely disappeared, and I achieved consistent-looking nails throughout the entire video. Moving on to the audio processing section, you can see where we load our input audio file. The workflow includes specialized nodes that will automatically process and separate the vocals. This means if you upload a song or recorded voice with background noise, everything except the vocals will be filtered out to ensure high accuracy lip syncing. The beauty of this system is that you basically don't have to do anything here other than load your audio file. Here, keep all the settings at their default values. For the K-sampler, we're generating the video in just 7 steps, thanks to the Lightning LoRa acceleration. You don't need to worry about adjusting the other parameters, just keep them at their default settings. As you can see here, after approximately 5 minutes of processing, I received my 53-second video with incredibly natural lip syncing and realistic movements. The results speak for themselves.
Open source gem can transform a single photo or video into unlimited length talking content that actually looks believable. Whether you're creating content for social media, education, or just having fun with AI, Infinite Talk makes...
And that wraps up today's tutorial. In the coming days, I'll be diving deeper into this model's capabilities. I'm considering creating a full music video and educational project that's both informative and entertaining to watch. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see this, and suggest which genre of music we should explore together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.